Alright, so coming in here today, I'm going to be putting this trim onto the door panel here. And I looked at it before I took it apart. And you just pretty much just want to be almost flush here where that ends. And then you come in here and put this panel on here. So alright, so first off, I want to pull this back and I want to drill a hole. Alright, so I want to drill a hole in there. I want to get rid of all my metal shavings because I do not want metal shavings to get on this white. Alright, so I normally use a screw that has the flat head, the flat heads on them. But these are a little longer. See how that got that flat head on them there? But these other ones, oh, lost one already. These are a little shorter. But I really don't think it matters. But that's a little shorter, but that head ain't flat. So I said I wanted to try these and just see will these work here, the little shorter ones. So alright, so I'm gonna put this on here. I'm gonna try this little short one first. I just want to see, and the main thing about it not being flat is that I'm wondering when that one will go up and down, will that be out the way? And it looked like it should be there. It looked like that should be tucked in out the way enough not to interfere with the window going up and down any kind of way. Alright, so now that piece is on there. And you come look at this side. So that piece is on there now, guys. So now I'm going to clean this panel up, clean the white up, and take it up at the vault, test fit it on the 70 WILDCAT, and just see, you know, so I'm quite sure I didn't do a video yet of this panel completed, but that's it in a nutshell right there, guys. So I just gotta get this insert here, paint it. I'm gonna sandblast it, paint it white, because the only thing you see is the outside edge. So paint it white, get that on there right before I get ready to install the door panel. And so all those door panels came out there, guys. So alright, you like these videos, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.